Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to ASIM All-Round Info Hub. 32 very important contractions of English. Whenever we learn a language, we feel some problems in connected speech while listening or reading informal texts. In English, contractions are very important. We have 32 very useful contractions to learn today. If we learn these contractions, 50% of difficult area of English language is covered. So, come on. We start from shoulda. Shoulda, should have. Example, she should have called him. Musta, must have. She must have been in a hurry. Oughta, ought to. You ought to go. Cause, it is written in COS and it is also written as COZ. Cause, because. I weep cause I'm in pain. Woulda, would have. He woulda arrived soon. Have to. We have to know. Has to. He has to work today. A lot of. I eat a lot of chocolate. Emma, I'm going to. I'm asleep. Tell them. Tell them the truth. Do you love him? Want to. I wanna go home. Going to. I'm gonna go. Kind of. It's kinda game. Need to. They need to talk. Whatcha, what have you? Whatcha got there? Some more. I'll need some more time. Don't know. I don't know anything. Gotcha. Don't you find it? Sort of. She's sorta tired. Used to. She used to live in UK. Let me look. Give me the book. Out of. I'm oughta many. A lot of. I eat a lot of chocolate. Let him go. Let her do her job. Let's play a game. Want, will not. I won't come. In it. Isn't it? It's black, isn't it? Got to. You're gotta leave. Ya or your. She misses ya. So these 32 contractions are very, very important to learn English, to understand English. While we listen, we feel problems because of these contractions, because of these words, these short forms. So remember these short forms and you'd be able to listen and understand English very easily, and so that you would be fluent very soon. Thank you very much.